Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. So, let us draw a figure based on this information. So, it is given there is a statue with the height 1.6 meter. It is on the pedestal. The statue is on the pedestal. And it is given angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. This is the ground. From a point on the ground, the person is looking to the top of the statue at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. Let us draw it. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degree. From the same point, the person is looking to the top of the pedestal. This is the pedestal and this point is the top of the pedestal. The person is looking to the top of the pedestal at an angle of elevation of 45 degree. Always you remember you are marking the angle till the horizontal line. So, this is the pedestal, this one is the statue. A person is on the ground looking to the top of the statue at an angle of elevation of 60 degree and top of the pedestal at an angle of elevation of 45 degree. Let us give names for the point. I gave here A, B, C, D. This AB is the statue. It has height 1.6 meter. I marked here. Now let us draw the right triangles separately. The right triangles are triangle BCD with acute angle 45 degree and triangle ACD with acute angle 60 degree. The question is to find the height of the pedestal. Here the pedestal is BC. We need to find out the value of BC. Let us do the problem. Consider the first right triangle BCD with acute angle D with measurement 45 degree. For this acute angle D, BC is the opposite side and DC is the adjacent side. So, let us take the ratio. In triangle BCD, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 45 degree. Opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is DC. So we can write tan 45 degree equal to BC by DC. We know tan 45 equal to 1. So we can write 1 equal to BC by DC. Cross multiplying, we get DC equal to BC. Now you consider the second right triangle ACD with the acute angle D with measurement 60 degree. For this acute angle D, AC is the opposite side and DC is the adjacent side. So let us take the ratio. In triangle ACD, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 60 degree. Opposite side is AC. Adjacent side is DC. So tan 60 degree equal to AC by DC. Tan 60 degree is root 3. So we get root 3 equal to AC by DC. Cross multiplying, we get AC equal to DC into root 3. Now you see the figure. What is this AC? AC is AB plus BC. AC equal to AB plus BC. So let us replace this AC by AB plus BC. That is AB plus BC equal to DC root 3. Now we know what is AB. It is 1.6. So we can write 1.6 plus BC equal to DC root 3. Now here we have proved DC equal to BC. So this BC we can replace by DC. That is 1.6 plus DC equal to DC root 3. Let us take this DC to right side. We get 1.6 equal to DC root 3 minus DC. Let us change the sides. We get DC root 3 minus DC equal to 1.6. DC you can see here common. We can take it outside. We get DC into root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6. We can take this root 3 minus 1 to right side. Here in the left side it is multiplying with the DC. The right side we should have to divide it. So we get DC equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now you can see the denominator is an irrational number. Let us rationalize it. How can we rationalize it? Here the denominator is root 3 minus 1. So we need to multiply it with root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So we get 1.6 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. You see the denominator, it is of the form A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B equal to A square minus B square. So that is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by root 3 square minus 1 square. That is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Now we can cancel this 1.6 and 2. We get that is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. That is DC equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. the pedestal is BC. Here we proved DC equal to BC. So we can conclude height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.